Greetings and salutations, how are you guys doing? Hails today, it's freezing. Right, so, back in December, I got a chance to pre-order a SMOK V9 MAX kit, that's a mouthful, isn't it, from China, and it's eventually arrived. I'm not sure if these are actually for sale yet in the UK. I know I've seen a few reviewers already done them, mainly US reviewers, but they probably get sent them anyway, I imagine, maybe. Yeah, so what do you get then? You get a box. Woo! Chaos. You get spare seals, you get instructions, USB cable, bath salts, and you get 2 coils. Now, the one installed is a single hole 0.15 mesh coil, and you also get this wired 0.15, with those weird sort of side cuts. Now, I've used both of these before because I had a Species, and yeah, the single hole. Do you know what? I've always loved single hole over multiple holes. A one-woman man. Yeah, so what do you get? So the stick itself then, 4,000 milliamp. Now compare that to the print stick. Yeah, print stick 3,000. This is 4,000. You can see the print stick slightly taller there, but this is definitely a fatter beast. 8 mil capacity in the tank. 8 mils, that's quite a lot, isn't it, for a device like that. Standard, press and open to fill, and again, seals on the top, not on the bottom, which again makes filling a lot easier compared to the older SMOK tanks. 5 clicks on, 5 clicks off, and yeah, there's not a lot to say about it really. It's a very simple, straightforward device. I've always been a lover of sticks from SMOK. You know, the V8 stick, the print stick. Not necessarily because of the tank or the coils, but I just find the stick, I can put a dripper on it or a tank, as long as the resistance is you know, 0.2-ish or thereabouts down there. So of course I had to pick this up. And other than that, I'm not a great SMOK lover really, other than the Species. But yeah, they seem to be redeeming themselves a little bit of late. But anyway, how's it vape? Nice big thick clouds, flavour's great. Yeah, big air holes in this, yeah. Massive 3 big air holes. Of course, if you put it down to half, flavour increases a little bit. But you know, sometimes it's fun to get a big airy vape now and again. Play with some big clouds. So yeah, overall thoughts, big thumbs up. Only downside then, cons. On the print stick, the light was around the outside of the button. On this one, where's the stick? The light is in the button, so it's kind of, you can't really sort of see when you're pressing the button. So of course the light doesn't come on to tell you what the battery's doing or anything, unless you press the button. But of course you can't see it. So yeah, you have to sort of press it and then, or press it up there, or press it and let your finger out. But yeah, so a bit of a con there. You've gone forward in so many ways, SMOK, and one little thing you've gone backwards with. Anyway, but it's somewhat irrelevant. I mean, 4,000 milliamp, I'm not really going to be worrying about my battery life until the end of the day anyway. Yeah, so big thumbs up for this one. Personal downside, if I want to put a dripper on it, I'm going to have to find a 28mm one, because this is 28mm wide, whereas these are 24mm wide. So again, most dual drippers fit on that. Yeah, so big thumbs up, well done SMOK, and all for today, and catch you guys later.